Grade 2. She's enjoying the soft massage again while sunbathing. Grade 2. Sunbathing and facial and body massage at the same time for free. You like massage after eating, huh? You like massage after eating? Oh, just relax, not yet finished.